This is a Citrix ticket. It connects you to a remote server. If nothing happens when you click it, you are missing the Citrix Workspace app receiver. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install it. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange ICA formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. An ICA file is a configuration file used by Citrix Workspace, formerly Citrix Receiver, to connect to virtual applications and desktops hosted on Citrix servers. It contains settings such as server address, user credentials, display preferences, and application-specific parameters, enabling seamless access to remote resources. ICA files are plain text files adhering to a specific syntax understood by Citrix Workspace. They define connection parameters, security protocols, and resource mappings. The Citrix Workspace application parses the ICA file to establish a secure connection to the Citrix server and launch the designated application or desktop. Citrix systems define Citrix Workspace as the main handler for ICA files. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows exposes the configuration layout, but altering it safely requires context from the application. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the ICA file and hit Open With. Test Citrix Workspace if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review the simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, use Citrix Workspace. Open the file using Citrix Workspace app, the required application for launching the virtual desktop part application. Next, check security. Ensure your firewall allows connections to the Citrix server and that the file is not blocked by your browser's security settings. Finally, check server. If the file won't launch, the Citrix server may be down or the application published may be unavailable. When this ICA file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. For guaranteed results, the one-click ICA fix is File Magic. It opens almost any format imaginable. Find the program at filemagic.com. Problem solved, just as promised. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.